Assalamu alaikum. I am Motiur Rahman, assistant teacher in English, Shat Shimulia High School, Bogura Sodor Bogura. Dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today, I will discuss about a question. I hope you are ready with your khata and pen to write down the important rules. Tag question. What is tag question? Tag means to attach or add something to the other thing. So, when a short form of question is attached or added to a statement, it is called tag question. For example, you have done the work, haven't you? Shamima is not writing a letter, is she? Here, a short form of question, haven't you, is attached to the statement you have done the work. And is she? Another short form of question is attached to the statement Shamima is not writing a letter. So here haven't you and is she are tag. And you have done the work, haven't you? Shamima is not writing a letter, is she? They are tag questions. Now I will discuss about some important rules on tag questions. If the statement is positive, the tag will be negative. But if the statement is negative, the tag will be positive. For example, Kamal goes to school every day. Here, the statement Kamal goes to school every day is a positive statement. So, it will take a negative tag. Doesn't he? Kamal does not go to school. Here, it is a negative statement, so the tag will be positive. Does he? The structure of negative tag is the short form of the auxiliary verb and not, and then the pronoun of the subject of the statement. And the structure of positive tag is the auxiliary verb of the statements and then the pronoun of the statement's subject. Sentences with negative words such as none, no one, nobody, never, few, seldom, little, scarcely, hardly is considered to be negative. Therefore, the tag will be positive. He seldom comes here. Here seldom is a negative word. So he seldom comes here is a negative statement. So the tag will be positive. Such as does he? Nobody helped him. It is also here nobody is also a negative word, so the tag will be positive, such as did they. I have never been there. Here in the statement, never is a negative word, so the tag is positive, such as have I. If the statement starts with let's or let us, shall we will be the tag of the statement. For example, number 1, let us solve the problem. Here the statement starts with let us, so the tag is shall we. Let us go to picnic. This statement also starts with let us, so the tag will be shall we. If this or that is the subject of the statement, it will be used in the tag as pronoun. For example, this is your pen. Here the statement subject is this. The tag is isn't it. So in this tag the pronoun it is used as pronoun of this. That is not my car. Is it? In this tag it is also is used as pronoun of that. If these or those is the subject of the statement, they will be used in the tag as pronoun. For example, these mangoes are rotten, aren't they? Here the statement's subject is this. So the pronoun they is used here. Those pencils are not yours. Those is the subject of the statement, so the pronoun they is used in this tag. If anything, something, everything is the subject of the statement, it will be used as pronoun. For example, something was wrong there. Wasn't there? Here, the subject of the statement is something. Wasn't it? So, it is used in this tag as pronoun of something. Nothing is possible without it. Is it? Here the pronoun it is used as the pronoun of nothing. If the subject of the statement is an object, animal, or child, it will be used in the tag as pronoun. The baby is crying, isn't it? Here, the baby is a subject of the statement, so it is used as pronoun in this tag as the pronoun of the baby. The cow is not milking, is it? Here, the subject cow is an animal, so pronoun it is used in this tag as the pronoun of the subject the cow. If the statement is an imperative sentence, you will be used in the tag as pronoun. For example, let me go, will you? Go home at once, will you? Here the statement let me go is an imperative sentence. So, will you is used here as tag. Go home at once. Here it is also an imperative sentence. So, will you is used here as a tag. If any modal auxiliary is used in the statement, that modal auxiliary will be used in the tag. For example, you can solve it, can't you? Here in the statement, can or can is a modal auxiliary. So, in the statement, in the tag, can is used. She should not waste her time. Should she? Here, she should not waste her time. In the statement, should is a modal auxiliary. So, it is used in the tag.